Hi guys, super excited today. It's arrived. The X5 has arrived, which you can see here on my mirror. So this is the first run with it. I'm super excited now to seriously see what footage I'm going to get from it. Hopefully it's going to be blimmin' awesome, but we'll see. Okay, so not a fast ride today. We are simply testing the capabilities of the new Insta360 X5. I've got my DJI Mic Mini Bluetoothed to it. Good thing about the X5, I didn't realise till today, you can set the decibel level, so when I get back and check this footage, if the volume is too much on the microphone, too little, I can actually adjust that in the X5 via Bluetooth. That's absolutely brilliant. I love that. I think that is good. What I'm not 100% sure with at the moment though is obviously I've got my chin mount on, which you can see, there it is, chin mount. So I've got my little camera on, the Insta360 Go 3S. So I'm going to try and splice some of the footage together from the chin and also from the X5. And I'm not 100% sure because the X5 is going to be recording all of the audio, so everything I'm saying now. Not 100% sure how, when I put the other imagery on, how that's going to work with the audio. Not totally sure on that, but we'll figure that out later. But for now, let's see what it looks like. Hopefully it's going to look blimmin' awesome. It's a bit grey, it's a bit cloudy out today, so the lighting's not great, but apparently it has a good sensor on it. It should adapt well. But I'm really interested to see what the footage is like. This is a first for me, and quite frankly a dream come true really. For years and years I grew up in an era where unless a photographer or your busy mate was stood on the roadside with a camera, you never ever get to see yourself on bikes, because camcorders years ago were huge, you couldn't fit them on the bike. You could only get still images. If you went to track days, there were companies there that had pencil cams, but they'd charge you a fortune to do it. So the ability to get these cameras now and just stick them on your bike, and I can actually get a real world view of what I look like riding, what my riding style's like, my body positioning. I'm going to be able to learn so much just by watching the footage back in various positions, excuse me. So today we have it mounted on the mirror, so you're going to see a bit of me, but also we're going to swing it around so you can see left, right, up, down, 360 basically. But one day obviously I've got the selfie stick, I'll attach it to the back so you can actually get a bit of a rear view, see my body position. Super excited, really is excited now. The way the cameras have come on is absolutely stupendous. Absolutely love it, and that's why it's now an interest of mine. That's why I've set up the YouTube channel, so I can see what I'm doing predominantly, so that I can see my footage. I can get lifelong footage of the bikes that I'm riding, like the R3 now. This isn't going to last forever. In 10 years this will probably be gone. It'd be nice to reminisce, but also I can share that passion with you guys, and you can see what I get up to. You can watch me on a beautifully gorgeous twisty country lane getting frustrated because I haven't overtaken this Audi yet, because I'm quite frankly too busy talking. But anyway, we're going to stop in the village here. Going to go to my usual, the little sports ground I often go to. We're going to get off, and I'm actually going to walk around the bike so that we can check the tracking on the X5. And here we are, there's a walk round of Little Pop as well, the R3. That is my daily hack. All year round, Little Pop comes out to play. Used predominantly commuting for work. It's a 2023 bike, nearly 4,000 miles on the clock. And when the Panigale stays in, when the weather's rubbish, Little Pop will still come out and play because, you know, he bloody loves it. Right, so let's crack on. Down a lovely little bit of twisty road now coming up, and we can have a look and see what the footage is like, the stabilization, the self-leveling, etc. Hopefully the footage is going to be absolutely top drawer. Fan man. What the audio is going to be like now. The one thing I have kind of found, I know the audio is set at 0 decibels at the moment. You can go minus 18 on this, or you can go lovely Hayabusa, or you can go, I think it was plus 18, I didn't really pay attention to be honest. But yeah, it will be interesting to see what the audio is like, Bluetooth in straight in. It should be good, in theory. Well, yeah, well, I don't really know what to say. Apart from, since they built that petrol station back there always seems to be an abundance of slippy fluids on the floor. Always remember that, folks. If you go past a petrol station, chances are there could be diesels and so on. People always have a bad habit of overfilling or not doing up their cap. So back there is a perfect example where you've got a petrol station and a roundabout. Be cautious on the roundabout. Take your time. You never know what's on it. And the last thing we want are for bikers to become statistics. Well, I've got to be honest, it's been quite nice actually. I've enjoyed this. love being out on the bike. Learning the do's and don'ts of YouTube to create a safe channel where everybody can be entertained and enjoy my dulcet world of motorcycling. My view on the two-wheeled world. It's not always a correct view and it's not always a positive one, but it is a view. Later we shall engage in conversation around journalistic fantasy. Anyway guys, nearly back, so I'm going to bid you all a farewell. I'm going to go and enjoy a bit of software editing and whatnot. Oh, he put his hand up, bless him. What a nice bloke. Anyway guys, that's the end of the video. I will see you all soon. Have a great day everyone.